Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another beauty box and this time it's from Marks and Spencer's and it's the Unwind edit. There's 9 products inside. It has a value of £142 and can be bought for £30. If you're interested in purchasing this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. And down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, I just had to go online to make sure that it's still available because sometimes the Marks and Spencer's boxes just fly out and they sell pretty quick. And this one is available. Give you a little sneak peek to start. I don't think we got a leaflet in here. I don't think so. No. So we've got a sheet mask. And I don't know where's it from? It hasn't got a brand name on it or anything, not even Marks and Spencer's. So I don't know where that's from, but I'm assuming it's Marks and Spencer's own and they made it for this box possibly. Then we've got Neom, and this is Perfect Night Sleep Magnesium Body Butter with chamomile, lavender and patchouli. There's 30 mils there. I love Neom. They do really smelly products, as in the scents are quite strong but really beautiful. I love a lot of their candles. This one is whoa, the lavender hits you quite strong. So if you don't like lavender, then you're not going to like this, but the cream feels really nice. Instantly putting it on my hands, you know, I can feel it like going in, and it just feels so nice, and it leaves your hands super soft. And a nice strong lavender scent. I don't mind it. I quite like it. I have got the candles here. Have I got one here? Yeah, Perfect Night Sleep lavender chamomile and patchouli candle. I haven't lit this one yet. I've already got one on the go that I've been using behind it. So body lotion, which is nice. We've got Estee Lauder, and this is Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. Synchronized multi-recovery. And that is it. It's a teeny tiny one, and there's 5 mils there. I'll get that out and show you. I don't think I've ever tried this. So yes, what's this like? Just put a tiny bit on the side there. So you only need a dab. A little dab. Going straight in for the smell. That's all I can smell is lavender. But yeah, I like that. I'll definitely use that. It's got an eye cream. Then we've got something for the hair. This is Hair by McKnight. Bigger Love. Volumizing mask. And there's 50 grams there. It's alright. Whoa, I didn't realise that it would be so liquidy. But no, it wants to fall out. So, yeah. It smells a little bit of bark. Woody type of smell. For luxuriously soft volume and stronger, healthier hair. Enriched with dual acting vitamins to visibly thicken the hair inside out. Then we've got Bloom and Blossom and Breathe Relaxing Bath and Shower Oil. There's 100 mils there. 100% naturally derived. Hit the pause button, massage over the body before a shower or pour into a running bath. Did I say what does it smell? No, it doesn't say. Let's see if I can guess. I'm assuming it's lavender. I gotta take this hand away. I think it is. I think it is. It should say, shouldn't it? Sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, ylang ylang, and lavender. Yeah. So we've got a bath and shower oil there. We've got a mask. A Emma Hardie Vitamin C Brightening Hydrogel Facial Mask, which brightens and illuminates the skin. It's serum infused with vitamin C, a radiant glow on the go. And it contains, ooh, can you see there? It contains 1 mask in there. Just get it out, slap it on your face, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, 20 to 25 minutes, and then remove, massaging the remaining essence into your skin. Then we got something here that is wrapped up. What is it? We've got Sleep, Spritz, Relax, Sweet Dreams, Cloud 9, Pillow Mist, essential oils of geranium and lavender. And there's 100 mils here. Woo! Some sleep sprays I don't like, some I do. Oh, that was nice actually. That was really nice. Let's spray it on there. That soaked my hand. That is quite wet. It's citrusy. It is gorgeous. Infused with essential oils of lavender and geranium, known for their calming properties and grounding notes of cedarwood to help to settle the mind. Yeah, I really like that one. Definitely be using that. And what have we got here? We've got 2 items left. We've got Rosehip Bioregenerate facial oil, and there's 10 mils here. So full of omega fatty acids and really great for dry and sensitive skin and improves radiance over time. And then we've got Dr. PAWPAW, and this is peptide lip mask with natural PAWPAW, multi-use moisturising and plumping, and there's a little one as well. What are you? I don't even know, but it's probably about 5 mils or something like that. Ooh. So it's a little one. I had one in my other box a minute ago and I couldn't get that out, and I can't get this one out either. Ooh. It's just the first time, isn't it? It's always hard to get out. And you have to woo, yeah, get some air in there. See, tiny little worm comes out. See? But I don't want to be bursting a blood vessel to get products out. I'm smelling, that's all I can smell is the lavender. Clear peptide lip mask there. And those are all the products in the Unwind edit. I think this is my favourite. I love this. The scent of this is absolutely gorgeous. So definitely be using that tonight. Then we've got a lip mask. Then we've got a Rosehip facial oil. We've got a eye cream. We've got a hair mask, a sheet mask, a magnesium body butter, and a relaxing and bath shower oil. And I forgot the sleep mask as well. So those are all the products in the box. It has a value of £142, I think it was, wasn't it? And you can buy it for £30. £142, that's a lot of money. I don't know. That's shocked me. I would have thought about 60, 70 pound. I don't know. I'm obviously clueless. It's a pampering sleepy time box, really, isn't it? So you've got a bit of everything to help wind down the end of the day. But the standout product for me is definitely the sleep spray. I love that. But as always, I want to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go out and buy it, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.